Looky here. Another day, another new release. That's what it feels like anyways. Panini and Topps are both churning them out. I don't know at what point they're going to slow their roll a little bit, if ever. They're making so much money at this point. I imagine they're like full steam ahead. Anyways, this is a classic. So I got 2 boxes of this. I told you guys on some things I'm going to cut back to 1. I'm trying to save money for a house, so I've got to start controlling my spending somewhat. I do get a ton of pleasure from cards, and it's an expensive hobby, even though I sell them on eBay to help recoup, some of the money. It's still a very expensive hobby. I can't imagine how people who don't sell some of their cards manage to do it. Guess they just have better jobs than I do, and I think I've got a pretty dang good job. So anywho, enough about me. Let's talk about the cards. 2019, 2 of the hobby boxes, and I have 2 blaster boxes on the way. So this is a full-size box. I think it is actually, oops, sorry, didn't mean to shake the table. Yeah, 24 packs, 4 cards per pack. I believe there are 2 chrome autographs per box. I'd love to get this guy right here. I love refractors, so we should get a couple of those. There will be inserts, and that should be it. I did contemplate the jumbo box, which has 5 autographs, but we all know how that goes. You usually get 1 decent autograph, and the rest is for doo-doo players. So I just decided no, I'd rather just do 2 hobby boxes, and so that's what we're doing. You want to argue about it? Come over here. We'll fight about it. Alright, let's do this. Hopefully we get, there's also colored refractors. That would be nice. Blue, green, something like that. Something pretty. Alright, let's see what these look like. Nice. Oh, I see some green right behind that. I said green, there's green. And it is, there's Yelich refractor. It is a Jacob deGrom, numbered out of 99. This is the 84 reprint. Green refractor. Very nice. Good start. A Yelich refractor, a deGrom green, and then a Piscotty and Borucki rookie card. I'll take it. Good start. Rizzo. There's my little man Kikuchi. Rock and roll, Coochie Coo rock. Jake Bauers rookie refractor, 84 reprint. Sweet. And Zach Greinke. Wouldn't mind getting a Vlad Jr. just base refractor. That'd be nice. There's Bauers regular rookie. Joe Panic. Jake Bauers refractor on card autograph rookie, numbered out of 499. Sweet. There's one. Good looking Soto card, base card, but it looks good. I actually was not as much of a fan of this design in Topps base, but seeing it in chrome, I like it better in chrome. A lot better, actually. I don't know why it would make such a difference, but it does. Gallo, Eric Hosmer refractor, Brandon Lowe rookie, and Francisco Lindor. Yeah, it just looks cleaner, a little classier. And what in the world? I didn't know there was game use stuff in here. Hang on, something's going on. Alert, alert. Zach Cozart refractor and a Moncada game used memorabilia. Moncada out of 99. You've just received a rookie debut gear relic card of Yoan Moncada. Okay, but he's not a rookie right now. Is there a second Moncada? I don't know. Wait a second. Or who am I thinking? Yeah. Oh, Lord. Right? Moncada, White Sox. Or am I mixing him up with somebody else? Anyways, there is a green jersey. Rookie debut. Well, this guy's on the Red Sox, so I'm clearly, my brain's fried. Oh, Moncada. Ugh. Oh God, that's gonna drive me nuts. Anyways, cool. I hope there's still another autograph in here, and this is not the other hit, because calls two autographs, but that's weird. It's a good looking card and all, but I'm so confused right now. But it's been a long day. Verlander, Smoke, a Future Stars, Isaiah Heiner Falafa. There's a name. Isaiah Heiner Falafa. And then Brad Keller rookie. Billy Hamilton, a Jake Bauers freshman flash. That looks good too. Lots of Bowers in this box. There's a Bowers box. Encarnacion Iglesias. Did Moncada get traded? Oh God, that's driving me nuts. So there's Gurriel Jr., a Kopech 84 refractor rookie. Ooh, a Miggy Cabrera reverse negative. I think these are actually really ugly, but I applaud the effort to try to do something new and different. And I've seen worse. This one kind of shows his face. It's not too bad, but huh. Lots of stuff coming out of here. Colby Allard. So that's neat. God, I'm stuttering a ton. Sorry. It has been a really long day today. But there's no way I was letting these sit till tomorrow. Buster Posey, Josh James rookie, DeGrom refractor, the regular version, not the green. Lasaiga rookie. Jacob Nix rookie. Topps Chrome Greatness Returns, Mike Trout and Acuna. That's a nice card. David Dahl and Mike Trout base. I haven't checked. I assume there probably are short prints and variations in this. I had a notification pop up to show me the checklist, but I didn't get around to looking at it yet. Moran, Jimenez rookie, Severino refractor, and Castro. I did pull up the one for the Optic Basketball, which was a waste of my time. It's only 6 cards, so. Talion Otani, Shane Green refractor, and De Los Santos rookie card. Haniger. Ooh, Andrew McCutchen Prism. Used to call these X-Fractors, but I think now they just call them Prisms. Not numbered, surprisingly. Marte and Castellanos. Corbin Robles refractor. Ramirez, Arcia. Perez rookie. Taylor Ward rookie. There is my other autograph. Ty Buttray. Good old Ty Buttray. They call him Ty Buttray. So boring. But we did get that extra relic, so that's cool. Mondesi. And we're still looking for possibly maybe a Alonso rookie refractor or a Vlad Jr. rookie refractor. Polanco, Arcia. Oh, there's a McNeil. Not the right mitt, but still nice. I like him too. Pilar going up against the wall, trying to make a catch. Tony Pham, another Prism. Reed Foley rookie. Walker Buehler and Jose Berrios. JD Martinez, Future Stars, Brian Anderson, Miguel Andujar, and Clayton Kershaw. It's thundering outside. If you hear a rumble in the background, that's what it is. Alright, Burns, Mancini, Freshman Flash, Colby Allard, rookie, and Polanco. O'Hearn, a David Fletcher rookie refractor. Matt Chapman, Elvis Andrews. Bundy, Simmons, Bryce Wilson rookie Prism. Carlos Martinez. 3 more packs. We will call it a wrap on box 1. Rhys Hoskins, Future Stars, Alcantara, Molina, and Upton. Walker, Buxton, Dean Dietz, rookie refractor for the Astros, Matt Duffy. And last pack, last call for Chrome. Matt Boyd, a Corey Kluber Prisms, Eddie Rosario, and Kyle Schwarber. And I'm going to find out the deal on that card, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the one and only Moncada. I had completely forgotten that he made his Major League debut with the Red Sox. Why they are sticking this in a 2019 product, a rookie debut gear, I mean, I guess just to show that when he debuted in the Major League. I don't know if this jersey is actually from that actual debut. Let's see if it says. That would be neat. Rookie debut gear relic card. That's all it says. The relic contained in this card is not from any specific game, event, or season. So I guess that answers that. So I guess it's just kind of like a flashback look. I was just really confused. I had completely forgot that he came into the bigs and played his first game with the Red Sox. So I was just really thrown for a loop. But anyways, that's kind of a neat extra. I like that it's green and numbered. So that's cool. 2 autographs and this, and that's a wrap. I'm going to have that other box for you guys soon, tomorrow I guess. And then we'll have the retail probably on Saturday. But that's it. Everybody take care. I'll be back with y'all again soon.